Hey everybody, so I got a quick information haul. I got some books from eBay. This is not for the 2000 4Runner, but it's for a 1992 4Runner, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so we're going to open this real quick. I got some books from eBay for a 1992 Toyota 4Runner. Nicely packaged. The seller actually happens to be about 800 miles from me or so. Actually, he's about 950 miles from me. So, volume 1 and volume 2. Of the shop manuals, engines and specifications, chassis, body, electrical specifications for 1992, which is book number RM257U1 for volume 1, and volume 2 is RM257U2. Also got the A340OE, A340OH, and A340O or 340F. Automatic transmission manual. This one is item number RM271U, as well as the 1992 electrical wiring diagram manual, and this one is pub number EWD137U. So Edward Whiskey David 137 Ultimate. So what picked up. I'm still waiting for the 2000 Toyota 4Runner manuals. There's some major issues with the seller. He sent me one manual, which is volume 1. Volume 2, the transmission manual, are missing. He can't find out why they're missing. So I'll get them when I get them. I even went as far as going to the police department, because I originally thought that the post office stole my package, which, come to find out, my post office outsources the deliveries to an independent company. That lady did steal my package. She actually scanned the barcode for delivery, and she kept the package. And when I complained, made a police report, the police investigated. Police went to the post office, and from what I found out, the police are pressing charges, which the state of Arizona is pressing charges against her because it's a federal crime to steal somebody's mail. And she, being kind of stupid, admitted that she stole my mail. So I finally did get that package, but it was supposed to have volume 1 and volume 2 of the 2000 4Runner manual, as well as the transmission manual. Problem is the seller didn't put all 3 books in. And I made the police report and everything. eBay refunded me all of my money, which was like $350 something. And the seller sent me a message, and he, even though he doesn't have the money anymore, he's actually sending the books out again. So it's a pretty decent seller, even though I got all my money back. He's still trying to make it right by sending me the books. So that was pretty nice of him. So when those come in, I'll let you guys know, and I'll show you guys. This looks like there are some diagnostic printout sheets in here. These look like original manuals. They do not look like reprints. Let me see. Hutchinson is the name on the side. Same with this book. All of these books look like they were owned by Last name Huskinson. Yep. This one's actually a color book, which is nice. The one I have for the 2004 Runner is not color. I think it was because it was a copy, because it said brand new. I'll show you real quick. This guy right here. This is the one I got for the 2004 Runner, but this one it's too clean. There's no no writing on it, and when I open it, see the diagrams are just black and white, which to me it looks like somebody copied the book. Which I only paid like 20 bucks for this book, so maybe that's why I only paid 20 bucks for it, because whoever copied it and rebound it didn't copy it with color. So, but if you know how to read a wiring diagram, the color really isn't the issue. It helps when you're looking at the wires, what color they are. If it shows it on the paper, then you can just look for that color. But I have other ways of finding out what color it is, including Mitchell. So, not a big deal, but I only paid for all of these books, I only paid $99. And the shipping, I didn't pay anything for shipping, but the tax is like $5 or $6. So, got I think it was $112 out the door total, I think, if I remember correctly, which is not bad, because the 2000 manuals, I paid almost $400 for all of them. So, but they look in pretty great condition. There's not a lot of grease on them. I'm assuming this gentleman washed his hands every time before he touched the book. Some of us don't do that. Some of us actually touch the book with grease on our hands because we have a job to do. But everything looks good. So that's just the haul for today. It was an unboxing and a quick look and everything else. I appreciate your guys' time. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.